Is your Google TV crawling like it's stuck in slow motion? Don't worry, fixing it is easier than you think, and you don't need to be a tech whiz. First, let's hit the reset button, literally. From your home screen, head up to your profile icon in the top right. Tap on Settings, then scroll until you spot System. Now scroll all the way down and select Restart. Hit Restart one more time to confirm. This quick reboot clears up all that messy memory and those sneaky frozen background apps that turn your TV into a turtle. Still lagging? Let's get a little more hands-on, just for a minute. Try clearing app cache, settings, system, storage, internal shared storage, cached data. Select OK and, poof, temporary files are gone. Next, force stop background apps hogging your RAM. Head to Settings Apps. Pick a recently used app and hit Force Stop. Notice the speed boost? Don't forget about updates. Go to Settings System. About System Update and grab the latest patches. They're like vitamins for your TV. If your storage is stuffed, uninstall apps you never use. Go to Settings Apps. See All Apps, find the clutter, and delete. Want the fastest home screen? Try Apps Only mode. Settings, Accounts and Sign In. Pick your profile and switch it on. No more heavy recommendations slowing things down. And for you speed demons, here's a pro tip. Reduce animations. Unlock developer options by tapping Android TV OS build 7 times under About. Open developer options, find the animation scales, and set them to 0.5x or off. Feels zippy, right? Still stuck in slow-mo? Drop your TV brand and the apps giving you trouble in the comments. And if your Wi-Fi's acting up, let me know.